Here we were able to utilize independent motor control, a webcam, and a PLC to provide a more efficient, power-friendly, and reduce the time that it takes to transfer bar from point A to point B in a steel mill reheat furnace. It was sponsored by ArcelorMittal. The old method to move a bar down, you had to turn on a bunch of rolls that didn't have steel on it. What we were able to do is just transfer it, just turning on the rolls that we needed to. So as you can see here, just the rolls that obviously that the steel is contacting turn. With this, we were able to reduce power consumption by about 24%, just transferring one bar from one end to the other. So.
This is a vertical axis wind turbine, and we built this for our senior design project. It generates about 500 watts at 15 miles an hour. We're hoping to use it for small homes and off the grid for heat type stuff.
Alright. Yeah, I could have been. That was my...
Our senior design project was a die casting machine installation. We took a 1983 die casting machine, production capable, fully automatic, and we installed it in the mining materials building in the foundry here at Michigan Tech. It was in outdated condition, very inoperative, a lot of broken components, things like that. And we took it from there to a full operating condition where we made parts that
Fuel demonstration for a lab here at Michigan Tech. The fuel cell basically works like a factory. It has the fuel, which is the input, and it produces electricity on the output. This is a design. All of us have worked on it.
This is our Stirling ring generators. We plan to test it very soon. As you can see, we have cylinder compression. We're waiting to run it tomorrow. We just got out of the heat. This is our design board up here for our project.
Alright, we got a long shaft, shallow drive outboard motor that allows us to get into shallow marine environments. Anything with obstructions, we can get through them, get over them compared to normal outboard.
This is the dynamic measurement of loudspeaker suspension components. We're testing the inside components. These are the spiders that provide the stiffness and restoring force for a loudspeaker. We're testing them dynamically instead of statically, so that we'll be able to develop stiffness curves and be able to test different properties of materials and geometries in order to make a better loudspeaker.
Okay, this is the Foundry Modernization Project. We try to improve safety, efficiency, and good ergonomics. We also gathered our data by actually measuring out the size of the walls in the foundry and going off that. Our decision matrix selection procedure, we designed it for four different selections. Design for manufacturing, design for environment, design for safety, and design for human factors. And we've accomplished a lot of things since we first started this project back in the fall of this year. We removed the bathroom from a previous state, put shelving units in there, the resin mixture has a stairway, and to increase for safety. And also back here we have a rack on order, so it can be safe to keep those in lockdown storage. And the oil drums inside the foundry, which is right here. And we do have some recommendations for remove some utilized equipment. Increased floor space can be attained by recycling and disposing of cluttered materials that are positioned throughout the lab and inventory and organized raw materials.
Alright, here we are designing, constructing, and testing an air-to-air heat exchanger. Basically, we're trying to recover heat from lost energy and in order to save costs.
With the CPR mattress team, basically our idea was, our project was to come up with a better production scheme to produce a CPR mattress here. The basic idea behind it
is the mattress deflates. When it deflates, then you can actually get a much better efficiency while you're doing CPR. So you can kind of see in our video down here, we came up with a better production. Their original way of doing it, they could get maybe 2 mattresses a day. And we got it to about 65 per day now. So
Increase it a little bit.
just a little.
Okay.